the stop right turn. It looks simple, but if your mirror use is off or if you miss your turning point, you're going to be losing some points. So let me show you how to get them right. All right, here we have Cowboy Doug. He has already located the first score plate. Now he's doing his 5-count mirror check. Now he's going to be looking out the door. He is using a reference point on the bus, inside the bus, which is the handrail, the little screw there. He's going to use that as a guide. He's going to put that on the rope, and that's going to keep him a certain distance away from the rope. Being at that certain distance, that will ensure that his right side of the bus will drive through the yellow. Once he makes that complete stop and then proceeds, all he has to do now is watch his mirrors, and he's going to be looking in his cross view, convex and flat mirror, and guide the right rear tire through the yellow. Once he has done that, he is now focusing on his turning point, and this is the turning point we are using for this demonstration. Once it gets there, he will full lock right. As you know, every turn that you make requires the use of a turning point to make a turn safely. At this point, Doug is looking through the windshield and through the door, finding the score plate. Once the score plate disappears, he will watch the plate in the mirrors and guide the right rear tire through. This is a view coming up of Doug on the inside. Once he saw that the right rear tire went through the yellow, finding the turning point. Once it's there, starting full lock right. As you see, he is just focusing 100% on the score plate. Once it disappears, he will shift over to the mirrors as he did there to guide the right rear tire through the yellow. That's exactly what you want to do. That's a view of what it looked like from the outside. We will then shift over one more view on the inside, which will show Doug making the full lock right turn, finding the score plate through the door, focusing completely on the score plate until it disappears at that point there, and you will see him shift to his view to the right side mirrors, and in his mirrors he will ensure that the right side of the bus, right rear tire, drives through the yellow plate. This next shot is a view, what it looks like in the mirror, cross view mirror first all the time, convex mirror, and then the flat mirror. One final view of Doug guiding the bus through the yellow. Thank you for watching, and I appreciate you for being here. If this helped you, make sure to like and subscribe so that you don't miss any upcoming training content. And remember to stay consistent, keep your standards high, and trust the process. See you in the next video.